Good day, guys. In our last class, we talked about forms, and I made mention of actions in form, what they are used to, what they are used for. Sorry. So today we'll be talking about the uses of actions in the form tag in HTML. The action class actually, because it's a class. Yeah. So we're talking about how to use the action class in HTML. So now let's dive into the work of the day. So these are our previous work. This is what we did the last time we met. So today I'll be teaching you how to make use of the action class in HTML. So now let's say, for instance, this is our login page. Okay, after clicking on login, you want it to redirect you to a particular page. That's how it works. Okay, now you see, if you can see, we click on login, nothing is happening in the website, nothing is happening in the page. Login, nothing is happening. So now we want it to be whereby when we click on login, we want it to redirect us to maybe another page. You understand? Or we are trying to call in another page. So now what we are going to do, let's create another file. Let me save this and let's call it what are we going to call it? Let me call it login. Okay, let me just say welcome. So this is not a plain text, this is an HTML file. Just see HTML. But if you are using Notepad, just don't forget to save as welcome.html. You understand? So let's save this. Let's input the HTML tag and enter. So what we're going to do here is you just say welcome. So this is what we use our this is what we display in our header file. So here we'll just bring an h1, just say welcome to the dashboard. Okay, so when we click on login to be directed on that page, it will show us this welcome to dashboard. So but how are we going to make it interact with the previous form we did? So what will happen is, here we just say here, then you see action. If you could remember, it brought action, then I deleted it. I don't want to talk about it yet. So what we just say is action. So what you are going to do is you make sure the page you are going, if it is in the same file with the form HTML file, then you just say you use a /. Our own is welcome. Okay, it's brought in the option already. Just say welcome.html, then you save this. Let me save it. Okay, done. So let's refresh our page. So when you click on login, file not found. What happened? We don't come back, guys. Sorry for that. So there was a mistake actually. I included a / here, which I'm not supposed to. When you include a / here, because when I was saving it, there was no / in the welcome.html, so it brought error. That's because of the error. So now it was a mistake actually. Let me save this and refresh. So you can see these are the action class works. So it directs you to another page, or it directs you can use to direct another page, or when you're into back end. Maybe you are learning, when you start learning back end, if I'll be the one to be taking you that, I can teach you, or I'll teach you how to make use of the action, but in various ways, not only to direct you on that page. You can use it to call in a function, do all sort of things. So thank you for your time. So I think that's all for today. Thank you very much.